Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro camera not working issue on iPhones. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about that their iPhone 15 camera is turning and showing a black screen and whenever they try to use a camera. So guys, this is a very common issue and many iPhone 15 users are complaining about it. So guys, if you are one of them and facing this issue and looking for a fix, so you are in the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So to do this, simply you have to open your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for software update. So guys, ensure your iPhone 15's operating system is up to date. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, go to general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying these two and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for hardware issue. So guys, make sure there are no physical obstruction or smudges on the camera lens. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. If there are any visible hardware issues, you might need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. After checking for hardware issue and if you see there is no hardware issue on your iPhone camera lens, then you have to do is first close the camera app. Open your camera app and then close it and try reopening it again and see if the issue is solved or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for app conflict. So guys, if you are using any camera apps like Snapchat, Beauty Camera, Instagram, etc. If the camera issue is in specific to a particular app, it could be caused by a conflict. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app or check for updates. So guys, after checking for app conflict and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone 15. This will not erase your personal data but will reset all settings to their default values. To do this, you have to open your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.